My name is Jimmy. I'm 27 now, and I'm the head chef at this small cafe fast food spot called Unique in Italy. A place me and my partner built for the ground up. Honestly, a lot of people think getting here was easy, but man, my story is full of struggles and failures. I never even went to cooking school. Everything I know, I learned it by doing, by messing up, and by not giving up. I started out in Turkey. When I landed in Istanbul, I was just some kid from a small town in Iran with zero experience except for my crazy love for cooking. The city was overwhelming, noisy, crowded, and the kitchen heat brutal. I didn't even have a proper place to crash at first. I was sleeping on the cold floor of the kitchen night. I'd sit there thinking, how do I get better? How do I create my own recipes? I know I had to figure it out somehow. The kitchen jobs were tough. I bounced around a bunch of places, working from down till late at night. One night, after a 14-hour shift, I stepped outside into the cold and just sat down, thinking about my dad's words. Son, the road to success is paved with hard work. I felt lonely and tired, but I promised myself I wouldn't quit. Next, I moved to Greece, such a beautiful place with the kind people. That's where I first got to know real traditional cooking. I remember the first time I made an authentic Greek salad. It hit me like a lightning bolt. But money was tight and I was always catching colds. One day, peeling veggies in the kitchen, I felt like I was building a big dream, even if it seemed impossible. After Greece, I went to France. Man, France was a whole different world. Cold, serious people, and mad pressure. I had to be tougher, work harder, long shifts, no breaks, a lot of mental stress. Sometimes I felt like I couldn't take it anymore. One day, while everyone else was resting, I sat by the window and said to myself, I'm not staying here. I need to find a better place. After all that hustle, I came back to Iran. I worked in a small restaurant in Tabriz that felt different. For the first time, I realized cooking wasn't just about making food. It was about love and heart. Seeing customers enjoy my dishes gave me energy. Still, I know something was missing, some secret I had to find. Then I made my way to Italy, the place I dreamed of. That's where everything changed. I met the investor one day at the local restaurant where I was working. He had heard about my journey, how I struggled but kept pushing, and about my wild ideas for food. He believed in me without any formal education, just my passion and grit. That man became my investor. With his support, I started perfecting my own recipes. Then I met my partner, a person who shared my vision and fighting spirit. Together, we opened Unique, a place where every dish we made has our own twist. Nothing like what you'll find anywhere else. Every day in this kitchen, I remember the hard times, those nights I didn't even have the money for the piece of bread, the tears I swallowed, the failures I faced but still got back up from. My partner always tell me, Jimmy, you're a real story, a living proof that with enough struggle you can make it. Now standing here looking ahead, I know every hardship was worth it. Because life isn't about money or status. It's about standing tall, learning from failure, and never letting anyone break you. When I thought there was no way out, I learned to take just one more step, even when my feet hurt and my heart was tired. And there I am, the head chef of a cafe I built with my own hands and my parents, with my special recipes, and I'm sure this is just the beginning of my story. So, wherever you are, whatever you're going through, remember, success is just about not stopping, even when nothing makes sense.
کلاسیک برگر. پیپرونی. اینا رو تایم دادم.